We're Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical in Bloomington. We've been helping homeowners and small businesses across Monroe County since 2009, and every winter we see the same preventable issues: frozen pipes, failing furnaces, and sky-high utility bills. Let's go through the warning signs one by one, so you know exactly when it's time to call in a pro. First, clogged or frozen pipes. If your pipes are slow or clogged, especially on really cold days, don't ignore it. That can be an early sign of freezing, and frozen pipes can burst and flood your home. Second, inconsistent heating. If one room is warm and another is freezing, your heater or ductwork may be failing. That uneven heat means your system is working overtime and wearing out faster. Third, unusual noises. Clanking, rattling, or squealing from your HVAC system is never normal. Those sounds usually mean loose or failing parts that can lead to a breakdown. Fourth, high utility bills. If your gas or electric bill suddenly jumps, your system is likely struggling and wasting energy. A quick inspection now can prevent a big repair later. If you're noticing any of these signs, call Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical or visit riverwayplumbing.com. We're available 24/7 to keep your home safe, warm, and leak-free all winter.